Relax. Okay?
Swabe.
Swabe, baby.
Swabe, guys. Swabe.
So if you see what we're doing, I'm really aiming this right away. I'm not looking back. If it doesn't back, I'm going.
So this is a drill for beginners. It's basic.
Last.
Mataas, Fletch. So, kaya sa mataas.
We can escalate the level. We go this level, fighting here, or chaining into movement that you stay down and move down. So you get stuck there. So, advantage of movement 1 versus 1. Right? So that's basically the defense process. Okay, over and over and over until one person makes a mistake. That's first basic.